This is Praia do Cabo do Mundo. Actually, Praia Cabo do Mundo. So, Cape of the World Beach, if I'm not mistaken, the translation from Portuguese. And it's a beautiful beach, quite huge. And this is how the sea looks like from the beach. And we can also see even from this beach a factory, the same one that we were able to see from Praia Paraíso. It is 4:30 p.m. right now on the 2nd of February 2024. 22 degrees Celsius still, but it's gonna get chillier in a very short time. 13.7 degrees in the ocean, and this is my 12th different beach I visit. And I have a few more, but I'm not gonna be able to visit more than 3, as it's gonna be sunset in 1 hour. So let's see if I'm gonna be able to make it to Matosinhos and then to my hotel, which is in the center of Porto. And from here to the center of Porto, it's probably around less than 15 kilometers. But I'm gonna be taking a bus or metro from Matosinhos. And it seems like that the sea has gotten a bit calmer now, or at least here, because previously there were like very heavy and strong waves, but here they look quite normal so far. Let's not jinx it, as I want to take a swim again like I did in the previous beach, Paraíso. But yes, I can't believe I'm doing beach adventures in February in Portugal. It's so amazing, and it's quite warm for this time of the year in Porto. So I'm very blessed to be able to do this type of beach adventures. So okay, here at the bottom is actually, there are rocks here, so I need to be very careful now, and maybe that's why the waves are not so strong, because they are going into the rocks. So let's see if I can find some nice spots to just take a dip and enjoy. Oh, these are very, very heavy, big rocks. Okay, and they are probably slippery. Oh, it really gives the cave end of the world vibe. Oh, now okay, let's dive in here. It has gotten very deep. I have seen also where my backpack is placed, but it's based on a rock, so that's good. This is good. Whew. This was nice and refreshing. Check out how it looks like. Also, the scenery here is beautiful. Yes, Portugal is amazing, and it has quite long coast on the Atlantic Ocean. There are many beautiful spots in Portugal. Porto is definitely not like the best summer destination or like beach destination, because there are much more beautiful beaches in Faro. I have never visited that one, but I plan to visit it sometime in autumn, probably. Lisbon also is very nice. I was there. There is one beach town over there that's called Cascais. It was very nice. And yeah, okay, I think I'm done for this beach right now. I'm gonna be checking a few more along the way. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. beach adventures with Chris.